Good morning, Dakar.
Good morning! What's up guys? It's Saturday morning and I just wanted to show you guys how I got better like at my drifting skills. I pop my wheelies on my hover cards. Yeah, I just want to show you that. Check out now I'm gonna do a drift.
Hey guys, what's up? We're actually getting a 3D print of Dakar in this shop here. Look at all this cool stuff. We're gonna make one for him now. 3D printing like this for him.
This is the 3D iPhone studio. Let me show you. Here we have lots of statues about different people who came to our studio.
Yeah,
Here upstairs you can see the sizes we have. We
Yep.
have from 9 centimeters to 25.
Yep.
And here you can see it's shown it's 15 and it's 70 centimeters. If you come inside, you can see this big box.
Yep.
This is where we scan the people.
Yeah. So everybody that comes here has to be scanned in that little box?
Yes, exactly. You can come in.
Okay. Wow. This is awesome.
Yeah.
And this is the machine. That's
Yeah,
a
we
3D.
have 4 cameras in the 4 corners,
Yeah.
which have in front. right?
Okay.
And that's how we scan people in 3D.
Okay.
It takes like 10-15 seconds, depends how tall you are.
Okay.
And in 2 minutes you can see yourself in the computer.
That's wonderful. Okay. Go on, Dakar.
Turn like this to this camera in this corner. Yes, exactly. And please put your legs like this, first together, then one down and out.
Computer, and it's actually processing. Hold it higher, hold it higher.
So, here is the 3D
Whoa, that is awesome.
Just look at it here.
That looks exactly like you. Damn, okay, bye. Looks good. Thank you so much.
Yeah, I'm glad you like it.
We love it. Looks good. Hi, Dakar. How do you feel about your mini meet?
I like it so much. I'm so happy that I got it. I feel happy.
Let's go.